Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Salesforce Sales Cloud, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Salesforce website. On the home page, look for the Products section in the main menu. Hover over Products to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Sales Cloud. Once on the Sales Cloud page, review the features and benefits to understand what you're. Look for the free trial or get started button prominently displayed on the page. Click on the free trial or get started button. You will be redirected to a registration form. Fill in your first name, last name, and email address. Create a strong password that meets the site's security requirements. Select your company size from the drop-down menu. Enter your job title and phone number in the respective fields. Indicate your country from the list provided. Review the Salesforce Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Check the box to agree to the Terms of Service. Click on the Start Free Trial button to submit your information. Once your trial account is created, check your email for a verification message from Salesforce. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to Salesforce. Log in using the credentials you just created. After logging in, you will be taken to your Salesforce Sales Cloud dashboard. Explore the features available in your trial version. If you decide to continue using Salesforce, navigate to the Billing section. Choose a subscription plan that fits your business needs. Enter your payment details, ensuring all information is accurate. Review your subscription summary before finalizing the payment. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform's interface and tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.